Hello Lefty Wannabes and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be re-embarking upon the maintenance journey. So, that's typically where we do the uppercase, lowercase, and then numbers. So, we'll see how far we get with this year, but I guess I'll go ahead and start with, this is maintenance 1 of 2022. And it has been a while since I last wrote with my left hand, so I'm going to be a little bit rusty. But we'll go ahead and get started. As you can see, I already have done. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully next month looks a little bit better. And it's not completely gone, so even though it's been quite a while, it's not the end of the world. So that's nice to see. I probably couldn't pass as being a left-handed person nowadays with that handwriting, but it's okay. It'll do for now. But yeah, I hope everybody's having a good new year so far. We'll see how the rest of the year goes. Always stay optimistic. I think that's a good way to kind of approach things. As always, be hopeful for the new year. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and write the numbers like we normally do. Not super talkative today, but I think that's okay. Don't always have to be super talkative. And let's go ahead and write number 10 as well. All right, so there you have it, maintenance 1. First time in a long time. And let's see if I see you back here next month. Alrighty, goodbye.